I just filmed this reel yesterday for my Instagram showing you like these 3 quick little outfits that I prepared for Fabletics. And while filming it, I realized my underarm hair is very visible. You know what? I kept it going. I left it just as it was because I'm so over being ashamed about stuff like that, and it's natural. Women are human as well and we grow hair. But I was only growing it out a little bit so that I can wax it better. So in this video, underarms are waxed, no hair. I don't know why I had to tell you that, but just so you know. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. I am here in the lovely city of Austin, Texas. It is hot, it is summer, and I have some really cool, different Fabletics outfits to show you guys today that are my favorite for this month. I have 3 that I really love, and one particular one that I'm insane about. They're very different from the normal thing that I usually show you from Fabletics. It's not like leggings and sweatshirts and tank tops. Even though, yes, the sweatshirt I'm wearing right now, which is also Fabletics, is super cute, but that's not part of the outfit that I'm talking about. This is a little more trendy, a little more fashionable, a little more dressy, but dressy casual. But you'll see just now. And huge thanks to Fabletics for sponsoring this video. I cannot wait to show you these outfits, so let's get into it. Those who have gotten to know me over the years and have been here for a long time, you know that I'm a very neutral person. You can see that in the things I wear, the way my home is. Everything is very neutral, nothing is very loud. There's not a lot of colorful things. But in recent times, especially this summer, green has become like a new neutral for me. Honestly, I think I'm turning into my mother. My mom's favorite color is green. It always has been. In the 80s, she would wear like green eyeshadow. She buys a lot of green stuff. I might be turning into my mom. I don't know. But these 3 outfits that I'm showing you today are super cute, and they're all green with a little bit of hot pink, which is very different from me, but I love them. First off, this is the sports bra I'm wearing throughout the entire video, and I absolutely love this style of bra. I have this same bra in many different colors. What I love is that it has this V cut over here. I believe it's also like a medium impact bra, so you can wear it in many different ways, but if you want more hold, it has these clips in the back to make it more of a razor back moment, which also allows to lift over here. And for this first outfit, I'm gonna show you my favorite one first. And it's my favorite because of this skirt. I am obsessed with combining pink and green. I've never combined hot pink and green. I usually combine green and like a light soft pink. I love the buckle on the side of the skirt, but I also love the cut of the entire skirt. I love that it wraps around the body and that you can adjust how it sits on your body because there's a string attachment in the inside and the buckle on the outside. You can wear shorts under it. It is just so flattering on the waistline, so flattering all over. I'm obsessed with this skirt. It is so cute and perfect for summer. And to match with the hot pink buckle, of course, I paired it with this hot pink tank top, which is just a basic, simple tank top that you can work out in, but I just adjusted it a little bit to make it a little more flattering on the waistline. I tied it on the back. You can tie it in the front if you like, but because there's a buckle in the front, I feel like it looked better by tucking it away and adjusting my waistline with it on the back instead of doing that in front. You could also match the skirt with a white tank top or a white t-shirt, whatever you like. It works either way. And I'm wearing this little outfit with my white plain sneakers. And by the way, I am a size medium in sports bras and my bottoms. So I'm a medium on top, medium on bottom. I always buy my shirts in size small, but I buy my bras in size medium and my bottoms in size medium. That is the size that just fits me the best. But when it comes to shirts, I like shirts to be more fitted and they accentuate the body better if they're a size small on me versus a size medium. So even though I'm a size medium in bra size, I prefer a size small in shirts, if that makes any sense. This next outfit is actually a dress. Yes, a dress, but it's a sports dress. So it has this bodysuit underneath that has pockets as well for you to put your phone or your debit card or whatever you want to put in there, which is super convenient. I am actually wearing this hiking very soon with my kids. So it's very feminine and cute on the outside, but then like workout mode in the inside. I really like that. I wish I would have gotten a size large in this set. Actually, I got this one in size medium. The way that the bodysuit fits perfectly in the bottom, but the part on the outside doesn't stretch the way that I would like it to. So I wish I would have gotten a size large to feel a little more comfortable with the stretch, but at the same time, I'm glad I didn't because I'm actually on a weight loss journey and I've already lost almost 10 pounds and I'm continuing to lose more. I'm still on the journey. So this will probably fit me a lot better as I continue to lose some weight. Not saying anyone else has to lose weight to fit into something like this. Like I said, I wish I would have gotten a size large so that it can fit my current body the best. But I also know that because of my personal journey, being in my weight loss journey that I'm in right now, a size large probably won't fit me later. So I'm glad that I have the medium and it fits me all right now, and it'll probably fit me even better as the months go by. So I'm looking forward to that. When I go hiking, I'll probably wear it with my black walking sandals instead of the white sneakers because these aren't hiking style sneakers. But honestly, you can just wear this with anything. This last outfit is simply shorts and a sports bra. The shorts in this one gives me mom vibes. I am a mom, but this gives me extra mom vibe. This gives me like the vibe of like the moms that would go on vacation and buy shorts like this style. It's not a bad thing, it's a very good thing. That's why I'm showing it to you. These are very comfortable. Again, I really love the cut. I love the material. This is a type of material that you can wash over and over and over again and it's not gonna look ugly or worn out very easily. And again, it's something that you can wear with so many different things. You can wear it with a sports bra, you can wear it with a t-shirt, you can wear it with just a sports bra and rock it that way the way I am, or wear it with a t-shirt and pair it with anything else that you like. Super wearable. I actually wore mine with one of my favorite sports bras from Fabletics. It's a halter top sports bra and it's in a light, soft pink. I just love how light, soft pink looks with green. It's beautiful to me. Again, I've never been a colorful person, and better yet, I've never been a pink person. Not even when I was younger in my teens or in my childhood. I was never the type of girl who liked pink, but things are changing and I'm kind of liking this new me. And with this outfit, I'm pairing with my black sandals because it's how I plan on wearing it. If you guys want to check out these outfits and get the special offer that Fabletics is having right now, where you can get 70% off on every single item on their website, click the link down below and don't miss out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my outfits, how I put them together. And that is all, folks. I will see you guys in the next video very soon. Bye, sunshines.